These are the sauces. I had to stop recording for a little bit. Lucky Dog, Food Best Friends.
Do it like sideways.
They can see it.
Oh,
Lucky Dog, Dog Deep Puro, Lucky Dog again. It's another flavor though. I should do the flavor. Okay, there's the Bamba, Beyond Insanity hot sauce. We had another one, and that one was really hot. Really hot. I was watching an event, non-sponsored, Adventure Time, Cartoon Network. Look it up. Food's Best Friend, Lucky Dog. Year of the Dog, 2 Thai chili pineapple hot sauce. This one is mild Hollywood smoked serrano and pepper sauce. Sounds good. And ridiculous tasty mustard chipotle sauce. I'll be putting my camera on the stand. That way you could experience it better. Hopefully see it better. By the way, I am a animation channel, Humbi. Fries. Hope y'all getting hungry too. You think I'm getting hungry, bro?
yeah, I think all of them are getting.
You're getting thirsty, huh?
They're salivating.
Hey, y'all salivating, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Look at my hand. Ooh, grease egg. Boom. Ranch. Go, sir. 2 flavors. Boom. They probably look the same, but I'm gonna let my associate here get some.
What do you want, like 4? I don't know which is which. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4. My associate has got 4 wings. Un para pin, baby. Cause all right. First one's gonna be the Bamba. I apologize for the recording mistakes. It's a dab. Boom. This is my shit. Clean the table later. We'll wait till it's ready. We'll try it with the sauce, the fry. You can see it. It's hot. It's I think it's in my face. I can't see my face, man. I'm gonna do another video like this. How is it? It tastes like a pepper. It's pretty hot.
I forgot.
It's up, but it's good.
Wow. Wow. And the Insanity one is way harder though.
We got some Coke. Don't worry. Pepper.
Wow.
So much of that. Ooh, excuse me.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, wow. That's your. That just made it worse. Ah. Lord. Damn. My tongue. I'm walking here.
Wow, my ears burning. Damn it. That's a bad idea. Oh, very bad. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
You know what? I'm happy I'm doing this. At least COVID won't kill me 100%. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm taking a long time.
Oh, Lord.
The reaction. It's in my face right now. Ah. Damn lungs.
Oh.
Oh, that's helping.
Wow. Pero no se me va.
Nope.
Oh, Lord.
Water. Oh, man. Hands down.
We tried the spiciest one first. Ooh. So that was the bomb. Ooh.
Don't do this at home, bro. Chicken bros, booster chickens, whatever. I'm gonna figure out my cash raise. Don't do this. Y'all want this?
Do it at your own risk.
Buy these and do it at your own risk. How about that? Yeah, that's good. Ooh, water is good. Now,
Ooh. Ooh.
we're taking this time to talk to y'all.
It's like $12 on Amazon for this little can.
You heard it here. $12. He knows. He bought it.
That little can right there.
Do not buy it.
And it's
Buy it.
actually Spicy.
Spicy.
Fuck.
Man, we need some ooh, no.
Are you recording it or is it live?
Recording. Can't go live. Yeah, I gotta meet some requirements. I don't know. It's probably for kids, maybe. That's why. That was really hot. All right. Next one. We only got 4 here, so it ain't gonna be a long video. Hopefully not. My associate here did not drink anything. Clap, because he did not drink. Did you drink, sir?
Yeah, I did.
He drank, never mind.
Yeah, I drank. It's all a lot.
It's a facade, sir. of Assad. Do not trust him. I will not be making any further videos with him because he has lied. Maybe. No. Depends. Now, man, we're taking a little break. Because it's hot. It's the hottest one. This is a food best friend. I want this, man. It's hot. Reducedly tasty moistured chipotle sauce. Chipotle sauce, my brother. It's probably the best.
So it is Chipotle sauce plus mustard is the Lucky Dog brand. We got the 3-pack for 16 something. And we're about to find out how it tastes.
We are not sponsored by Amazon in any way. We do not have any corporate sponsoring or anything. We're just reviewing. And letting you know of the prices, the flavor, and hopefully, man, y'all give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Oh, man. But the mamba was really spicy. It will make you grow some chest hairs. Not for your wife. Ugh. So see, how was the Bamba Beyond Insanity?
The bomb was spicy. It's really spicy. I thought it was all big game when I saw it on Hot Ones, but apparently not. It's spicy. So if you guys want to give it a shot, go to Amazon.com and buy it. What did you think about it?
It was very spicy. The flavor was you could really taste the peppers. I don't know how many peppers they use. Now, let's read it a little bit. Ingredients: habanero peppers. I will be looking that up. I'm gonna try to put pictures and stuff. That way I can see the habanero pepper, the ingredients. Banana salt, chipotle Peru, pure. Chipotle, water, salt, citric acid. I don't know what, I'm gonna look it up. Citric acid, salt, citric acid, water, orange juice. I don't know why they would want to put orange juice in this. Conspiracies, maybe? They might, orange juice is vitamin C. So it might make you happy. It might add flavor. Who knows? I'm just buying time because I'm still really spiced up. I don't even want to do this anymore. There's only 3 left though. But we actually have a little more sauces here. But that's off to whoever hosts whoever made up the Hot Ones. That's all. I'm going bald, so that's off. Bald people give 1 punch. What's up?
Are you ready for the next one or not?
Oh, no, hold on. My associate here, he wants to go. If it were up to me, he could eat all of them. I really don't care. It's hot. Damn. Continue with the ingredients. Orange juice, concentrated natural pepper, flavoring, tomato, pasta, potassium, sorbate, and sodium benzoate to preserve freshness. A lot of ingredients for this one Bamba. It's a net WT 4 ounces, 113 kilograms. Nutrition facts. I don't think I want to know that. Now, hot sauce for the insanity level. Warning: the sauce is extremely hot. Keep out of reach of children. Consume 1 drop at a time with extreme caution. We start with the hot habanero peppers and blend them with smoky chipotle peppers and natural pepper extract to create sauce that lab tested at. Okay, I would have liked for this to have the level of insanity, the heat, the pepper heat, or whatever they use in the hot ones. Oh, I forgot what it's called. Temperature. What is that called, sir?
Skull units.
Skull units. This could be a 4 maybe. What is it in the hot one, sir?
Oh, I forgot. That's skull one. I forgot.
It could be 1. We're gonna have to look it up maybe. It's good, but I wouldn't. That's your own risk. I don't know. So we're moving on to the Lucky Dog. I don't have the bottle with me, so I can't really say anything. But let's continue. And
make sure you close it 100%.
Okay. So this is the. I play games here too. In case y'all wondering. I got a gaming laptop. I can play on a bottle for y'all. I got a Switch. Don't give you either. Ingredient. Damn. I'm playing. Okay. This is Lucky Dog. Ridiculously tasty mustard.
Put it a little bit more down.
See, insanity level is medium. You can see it right there. Right there. I can see it right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's blurry. I will be getting once I get I don't know, man. Well, once I get more money, I'll be getting better equipment, better cameras, and everything. This is my phone. It's a gaming phone. And hopefully, I can upload the games on my laptop and show y'all it. But this was my brother said it was it's mild. $6 for the 3-pack. Was it right at Amazon?
Yeah, it was 12.
12 something. So divided by 3, that is gonna be. I'm bad at math, y'all. Let's see, 6 divided by 2 is 6. 4 something. This is 4 something on Amazon. Separately, maybe. I don't know if it's so separately. Is it?
I don't think so.
He does not think so. We're gonna be continuing with this challenge. I hope I work hard, man. I walk in a dangerous street to get these hot wings. Just
to the depths of hell just to get these
hot wings and then the sauces. Yeah, I remember that one episode from not sponsored from a regular show. Oh, remember that episode? Remember that?
Which one?
When they go to the country folk, they're like, you get no blue cheese?
No, I don't recall.
No, I forgot the blue cheese. We have blue cheese, but I forgot. We got no blue cheese because we're not country like that. So this is this one I just showed you. I'm talking too much. Let's continue with the challenge so we can end this. This ridiculously hot. I think it's that one. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh. That was good. But spicy is good though.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's good. It's really good, but it's not. The spice level is not insanity. Like, it's just a little dab, like a little sting. That's about it. But it's not as spicy as the bomb. If we're comparing the two. But it's really good. Which one was that one? The mustard one?
Yeah, it was the mustard one. Yes, it was the.
Yeah, this one is pretty good. You guys should really try it. It's sweet, and there's like just a little bit of a kick, not a lot, but just a little bit.
Honest, I zoomed out for a little bit, but I agree with what he says. It's pretty good. There's a little bit of a kick. Try it. But my favorite one is this greenish one. You can see it. Mild Alderwood smoked serrano pepper sauce. Okay. Hot sauce. It is a little bit less than mild. It's medium. See right there, right there. I don't know. I can just show you. I'm gonna be animating this soon. Maybe not soon, but later in my life. Let's see. Lucky hot dog sauce. Del dog. Alderwood smoked serrano pepper sauce with fresh tomato, toast, onion, roasted garlic, chilies. Heartfelt bite to the delicious tequila style verde tamale sauce. Tamale sauce. Ooh wee. Tamale, bro. Yeah, I need to try my mom's cooking, man. She makes tamales and ooh. Días de los Muertos, man. Ooh, we get down. We don't celebrate it, but they get down.
They get down in their graves for sure.
Yep. They dig up their dead and dance for them. Dead grandmas and shit, though. Oh my god. Damn. They dig up their dead. Fucking cremate them. They put them in their nicest dress. They dance with them. Then take off the dress. I'm like, man, nasty. I'm gonna be animating all this bullshit, man. We talk so much shit, man. Use de perro on anything from Indian to Italian, Asian to Afghanistan in sandwiches or stews, and especially on Mexican food. Mexican food. Yeah, I know you like it. Damn, I'm sounding like a. I hope y'all can hear me, man. Alright, so.
Sales manager.
It sounded like one of them guys from sponsored George Lopez. Don't just stop saying TV shows too.
No, I think you can say TV shows. Too sure.
Ooh, wait, look at that. Y'all see that? That look good. That's the best. That's probably one of the best. It's not the best sauce, but it's the best one we got right now.
This one it is which one? The pineapple one.
Pineapple?
Yeah. Here.
Oh man, no. It's go ahead. Man, I got me some intoxicating
Oh Lord.
Boom. Got me some of that. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, be careful for that.
But after the show I'm gonna it's mild Underwood smoked serrano pepper. It's probably one of the best ones. I'm gonna be reviewing these, and I'm gonna tell y'all which one I like. He's gonna tell y'all which one he likes. I hope y'all take our word for it. I mean, it's not really that hot. It's mild. The Bamba was the really hot one. I don't know. We're giving free sponsorship. Why? I don't know.
I mean, we're just
Who knows anything, right?
expressing our opinion on the sauces. Again, we are not sponsored
Yep.
by the company or anything like that.
Any affiliate.
We bought these with our own money.
Yep.
So this is our honest review on the sauces.
Yes. Amen. Cheers. Ready?
Cheers. Yeah.
We touched wings. Non-pervertive.
6 feet though, 6 feet apart.
Sweetly. That's pretty good. This is the best tamale. I'm out. Round two. Y'all see me putting it back again? You want some
What
more?
do you think about it? Oh, no, I'm good. So what do you think about it?
This was a really good sauce. We tried them before in a little bit, but It has tamale sauce. Go for anything though. I prefer on tamales. We had some tamales earlier. Not earlier, but some days ago. It would have been good for the sauce, but you know how God does mysterious things. It's very good. I give it a flavor 10. Yeah, recommend it. Highly recommend. What do you think?
Yeah, I give it like an 8. It's really good. Really creamy, kind of sweet. That one is sweet. That one was sweet. So yeah, definitely go pick that one up. Ooh, wow. So that one was Lucky Dog Pineapple.
I hear all the sound effects. I'll get hungry. Stop by your local Wingstop, man, and get you some wings. Get you some sausage from Amazon, unsponsored. I ain't gotta keep saying that. And yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, deserve it. Deserve to do this. Don't kill yourselves doing it, but these are really good. Really good sauces. This is the last sauce we have. We had 3 sauces, and this is the last one. I will be reviewing more in the future, maybe. If I buy some. Maybe not. Would though. I'm gonna animate this, so don't worry. This is gonna be Lucky Dog, Food's Best Friend, Year of the Dog, Tai Chi Chili Pineapple, hot sauce. This is the pineapple one.
No, but we already did the pineapple.
No, we did we?
No, yeah, I think we did. It's yellow, no?
This one?
Yeah, no, we haven't done that one. We done that dark one in the mustard one, right?
All right, we have that's confusing me, my associate. Ridiculously tasty mustard chipotle sauce. We already did that one. I'll be going back and seeing it. If not, I'm gonna do it alone. I'll cover this one, my one, and the bamba. This is the last one. I'm assuming. I'm gonna look at it, and I'm gonna give you my honest review. Do I really need people to review stuff for you? Can't you, man? I'm over here talking. I'm doing this, but no, y'all don't take this the wrong way. But y'all need to form your own opinion on stuff, man. I'm speaking the truth here. I haven't even drank my happy juice yet. There are billions or trillions of movies, movie reviews, show reviews. And I see my brothers. They look at the reviews, they look at the stars. I'm like, and then they don't watch it because one, their favorite art character or actor's not in it. He's not funny enough. 2, he's inexperienced. 3, nobody knows him that much. They don't know him that much. 3rd, the reviews, 5-star, 4-star. I'm not gonna say the people that the companies that review it, because I'm gonna have to take this down. But I don't need to listen to that. I could just go to a movie theater or wherever, do it in private, watch whatever you're trying to watch. Give it a few episodes, or a movie, give it a few hours maybe, or minutes, whatever, how much time you got, and form your own review. Party show to people. I'm like, what you like, this and that, introduce yourself. I haven't even drank yet, man. This society, man, it's generations. Yeah, y'all piss me off, 100%, to be honest. More on that later, though. We're doing this review now. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna fucking animate all this bullshit, all this stuff. All right.
You ready?
Yeah, we're gonna be doing this, the pineapple one. See how it goes, and picking it up. That was delicious. Really, really tasteful. I could really taste the pineapple. The flavors mix in really good. The wing, the flavor of the wing was really good with the pineapple. We got some chips here and stuff too. It was really good, to be honest. The grease of the wing mixed in with the pineapple really swell. The flavor was kind of like a tingy pineapple. I don't know, tingy pineapple. It had a little bit of kick. My associate over there is licking his fingers, so when he does that, I know it's good. Yeah. That part of the best one. Not really. It wasn't really the best. The one I liked the most was which one was it? It was a greenish one. Man, this reminds me of that. Can't really say any cartoons, but it's a dog and his buddy. They eat a lot. It's for an S, and then an N for the do. But it was really good. These sauces will go good with anything. Sandwiches, for corn. My brother put them on eggs this morning. So, I should tell you something. It's weird. Look at that. How was it, Ricky? How was it, sir?
It was really good. Really good, Bill. Tangy. But good overall. Which one did you say you like?
Right.
The one or the which one?
I like this. I think it was this one, right?
Oh, that one.
This is the best one to me. I don't know about y'all. I haven't even tasted it. I was looking it up. Ridiculously tasty mustard chipotle sauce is really good. Dip it again. Yeah. The pineapple, they're not really spicy. The three dog ones, they're really tasteful. Highly recommended if you're not a spicy person. You don't like spicy that much, but you do it for the flavor maybe. Highly recommend if you have a sensitive wife or something. Any kids. But please tell them not to touch their eyes because some of them are really, really hot. Moving on to the Bamba. It was a really, really hot Bamba.
That one is no joke. That one will give you a heart attack.
It will give you. It would. We had another one. It was called Insanity Sauce. That one, do not mess with. I will be reviewing it. We finished it. I put it on my eggs once, and it was. I couldn't finish my eggs. I was choking. That's how bad it was. And there are harder ones out there. Way harder ones. That was my review. Almost done.
Wow.
Now, that was really good.
Yeah.
Shout out to Wingstop. Sir, do you have any wings?
Oh yeah, no, I'm done. Yeah.
My associate has tapped out. Not really. What I'm gonna do now is something strange. Very strange. Do not do this at home. I will be combining all three sauces into one spicy hot wing.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of people don't do this, but this is gonna be my my thing. So, wish me luck. I'm gonna have to tap it though, because I can't really put that much in the wing. Y'all see that? Yes. One. Hope y'all doing well. Two. The reason I'm starting this channel and I'm trying to get it off, I've been working on it because. Oh, no, that was a lot. Bomba, everybody. Do not mess around with these.
Do you want a glass of milk?
I'll be getting one of these.
Okay.
Man.
Damn. Good luck.
Now, my associate here does not know how to eat well. He leaves a lot of meat. I don't know. He leaves a lot of. I should have gotten the boneless ones, but they were more expensive. But I like looking at bones. So, yeah. I will be looking up. You're not here to look at me eat. You all are. Bottoms up. I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. I don't even want to do this, man.
You're choking now.
No.
It's over.
This was overall, I did not wash my hands, so I'm testing. Party. Maybe with these wings, I get superpowers. But overall, it was good. The flavors really go good together. The three dogs, I couldn't really taste them that much, but the mamba like really.
It was really overpowering.
Really overpowering. He's right. It was a. Bittersweet. It was sweet, tangy. Do not recommend. If you're trying to pull a prank though, by all means do it. The Bamba. There's actually harder ones. But if you're trying to pull a prank, I recommend Bamba. The Bamba was overpowering. Overall, it's a good feeling. It's good. I like it. I hope to be on the hot ones one day once I get famous enough. I don't know what you gotta do to be on there, but I'll try my best. Thank you for watching Rooster Booster. Till next time, signing out.